dryer I got to review? If so, please stay tuned.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind.
Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Alli. And for everyone else, thank you for being here. So today guys, I am reviewing a product for Amazon. It was sent to me via review. So I had this awesome, I think it's called Unicara model 8700 hair dryer, iconic ceramic care for your hair. So let me pull it out and show it to you guys. This is a beautiful blow dryer. Okay, on the top we have a card here. I'll look in the, well, envelope. I'll look in that in just a second. And then here's our blow dryer. Ooh, look at this baby. And then we have two attachments as well. Unicara 80s professional hair dryer. So this is a professional hair dryer. I don't know, I'm assuming they use it in salons. So let's talk about this a little bit. So this retails for $43.99, but right now it's 10% off. So you could get it for $39.59 if you wanted this amazing blow dryer. So upgrade powerful 2000 watts built-in innovative turbo AC motor. The hairdryer has strong wind combined with the pioneering 20 air duct design and 18 blade noise reduction fan. Our blow dryer is quieter than the traditional blow dryer, which is awesome to hear. Shine enhancing. Newest Ionic hair dryers can release 59 million cm3 of nano ions during drying that helps smooth hair and frizz free. Ceramic Tourmaline technology will nourish hair cores deeply and make your hair glossy, and it repairs as well. This is an amazing blow dryer. Professional salon hairstyle in 2, 6 adjustable modes, 3 heat and 2 speeds, and the real cool shut button, 2 of the attachments. So this is good for long, short, curly, straight, thick, thin, any kind of hairstyle. This is a great blow dryer for. The C-shaped non-slip handle allows you to hold the blow dryer easier. With the 2.2 meter durable cord, is tangle free. That's great to know. So guys, let's look at what was in that envelope real fast. I'm sure it's like the care package or how to take care of it. We have a card right here. It comes with a 1-year warranty, guys. That's awesome. An unexpected surprise. Congratulations, you were chosen to specially, I was chosen to review this. And then it just has some directions in here. Just common sense things. Warning, risk of burn, electrical problems and all that if you leave it on or plugged in. Yeah, that's a nice little envelope and a nice little thank you card. So I want to plug this in and see what it sounds like before we actually go wash the hair and use it. So let's test this baby out. This is powerful, guys. A powerful blow dryer. And you can change the settings to cool if you want, or to hot. So this is a super cool blow dryer. I'm gonna go wash my hair, put my products in, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I washed my hair and I conditioned it. And I have leave-in conditioner. I want to show you guys the products that I use on my hair. And they're made by Nature Lab Tokyo. And I do have a promo code and I will put down below. I think it saves you 15 or 20% off your order. Here's the shampoo and conditioner. Look at how the bottles are. They're so cool. They're like Petri things. Now their shampoo and conditioner and their products. This is the repair leave-in conditioner. That's what you put in after you wash and condition your hair. And then we also have Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. So I do this about once a week, maybe twice. And my hair has gotten so much healthier because during the pandemic, my hairdresser wasn't able to work, so I was like dyeing my own hair and I was just killing it. So these products have really helped my hair a lot. They have made them a lot, like my hair strains a lot stronger, and the breakage doesn't happen as much. So I really have to thank Nature Lab Tokyo for having such amazing products. So guys, let's grab our blow dryer, our Ionic 8700, and let's blow dry this hair. Now my hair takes a while to dry, so I want to see how good this is. Normally it takes me about a half an hour to blow dry my hair.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end.
This is a wet brush, but it's also meant for like curling and all that.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you.
So let's brush the hair out and see how it's doing. I'll tell you, this hair dryer, or blow dryer, hair dryer, whatever you want to call it, is extremely nice. I love it. It pumps out a lot of heat and a lot of, just a lot of air. We're almost done.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high.
So guys, you want my honest review on this blow dryer? I give it an Alli approved and 5 stars or whatever the rating is. This blow dryer is amazing. And I didn't really do anything with my hair, but if you look at it, it looks nice. It doesn't look frizzy. I'm happy with this. Extremely happy with this. So guys, thank you for sending this my way to review. I love your blow dryer and it's amazing. That's all I have to say. So guys, if you like this video, can you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram at ALLISMAGICALINSIGHTS. And if you like this blow dryer or the results, go check it out on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. And see you guys later. Bye.